Welcome to our education channel from class 10th. The chapter 4 is linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. So in this chapter we have some basic skills what we supposed to learn and explain. So what are the pages PDF which you are seeing on the screen? This link I am providing in description below. The document or PDF file you can get the from the description below from the link. Then by listening this video, you can solve the problems. So every chapter, few sums I'm explaining and remaining problems from every page, every skill, 2 to 3 sums I'll explain. Rest of the problems you need to practice to be perfect in this basic skills, especially in this chapter. Let us see now. First one, you should learn thoroughly or should know about the solving the linear equations by elimination method. Okay, let me take two examples. Let us take first example. Solve each system by elimination. Elimination method we have to use it. In the method itself we have to eliminate one of the variable. So we have x and y, two variables, right? Two linear equations, 16x plus 9y is equal to 15, equation 1, minus 8x minus y is equal to 17, equation 2. Now we should make one of the variable coefficient should be equal. Like x coefficient is 16, here x coefficient is minus 8, not same. Here y coefficient is 9, here y coefficient is minus 1, there is no sign, no minus 1, not same. We should make it as same. You can choose either x or y, which is easy that you do. So first equation, second equation I want to make x coefficient same as 16 because 16 and 8, 16 is LCM. Second equation if I multiply with 2, this also becomes 16. Now you write like this. First equation as it is I am writing 16x plus 9y is equals to 15. Now second equation multiply with number 2. The meaning of this is equation 2 I am multiplying with 2 plus 2. So each and every term 1, 2, 3, x term, y term and constant you have to multiply. Same equal place equal will keep. Minus 8x into 2. So minus 16x it is. Minus y into 2. So minus 2y. Right? 17 into 2. Each and every term you multiply with 2. 17 into 2 is 34. After writing, then we can go for the elimination. So minus 16 plus 16. So opposite sign, right? So we have to do addition of this. Same sign subtraction, opposite sign means addition. So I'm going to add this both. So plus 16x minus 16x cancel. Now plus 9y minus 2y. 7 plus 7y. 15 plus 34. So 49. Now y is equals to 49 divided by 7, that is equal to 7. So y is equals to 7 we got, right? Once you get y value, this you can replace in one of the equation, either 1 or 2. Okay, which is the small numbers, those you can choose to do calculation fast. Anyhow, you can substitute y value in equation 1 or 2, you'll get the same answer. I am taking equation 2. Minus 8x minus y. In the place of letter y, 7 you can take. Is equal to 17. So minus 8x is equals to minus 7, take right side, 17 plus 7, that is 24. Now minus 8 into x, that means x is equals to 24 divided by minus 8. Minus 8 into x now. Linear equations solving we did. Okay, this is minus 3. Right? Plus divided by minus also minus 24 divided by 8 is 3. Finally, we got the result x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. Right? Okay, see one more example. Clear this? One more example also. See, based on that, you can practice the remaining sums. Here, if you observe equation 1 and 2, equation 1 x coefficient is 1, but here 3 we have here. And here y coefficient is 6, here minus 3. So you can, if you multiply with first equation with 3, this becomes 3x, or else second equation multiply with 2, y you can eliminate. Okay, second equation only I am multiplying with number 2, I'll do it. First equation remains same, that is x minus 6y is equals to 28. Second equation multiplying with 2, so 3 2s are 6x minus 2 3s. So 6y is equals to 9 2s 18. Every term of second equation multiplies 2. If you observe same coefficients minus 6, not opposite sign. Now you can change the sign of the down places because I am going to subtract the both. So if you already same sign, you can change the sign of the down terms. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Now you can do simplification this. Now don't see the old sign. Minus 6y plus 6y cancel. X minus 6x. So minus 5x it is. 28 minus 18. So 10. Don't see plus 18. Minus 18 is now. Then x is equals to minus 10 by 5. Okay. Because minus into 5. So minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. Now substitute x value in equation 1. So from equation 1, minus 2 minus 6y is equals to 28. Minus 6y is equal to 30. Take that side. Then y is equals to minus 5 will get. Okay, the main thing is you have to make the coefficient same and same sign subtract, opposite sign addition you do it. So you'll get the values. Right, this is the concept of the elimination method. Once perfect, you can practice page number 3 also. First two pages I am giving same type. Third, fourth pages I am giving about the substitution method questions. Okay. Now previous we did elimination. Now let's do the substitution method. Substitute means from one equation find out one of the variable value, substitute in second equation. If you noticed here, first equation and second, y already is given minus 3. So y is equals to minus 3 in equation 1 I am substituting. Minus x plus 8 into y is minus 3 is equal to minus 16. Minus 24 minus 16 it is. Minus x is equals to plus 8. Take right side. Then x is equals to minus 8. X is minus 8, y is minus 3. Because already this equation is already given only y variable value. Let us do one more problem, substitution. This is the equation 1 and equation 2. Take one of the equation and find one of the variable first. Okay, let me take second equation. Minus 2x plus y is equals to 2, right? From this, y is 2 plus 2x. Okay, y is equals to 2 plus 2x. Take one of the equation, from that one of the variable value find out in terms of other variable. So y is equals to 2 plus 2x. Now from first equation, wherever the letter y is there, 2 plus 2x is substitute in equation 1. So minus 4x minus 5 into 5 into y, right? Y is how much? 2 plus 2x. We substitute here. 2 plus 2x in the place of letter y is equals to 4. Yes, now we can solve, we'll get the x value. Minus 4x, this is minus 10 minus 10x equals to 4. So minus 14x, take this side plus 14, then x is equals to minus 1. Once you got x value substitute in this. What is this? Y is equals to 2 plus 2x, x plus minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Y is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. So even you can verify once you get x and y values, if you substitute in the equation, it will satisfy. For example, you take this. How much you got? Y is 0 plus x is how much? Minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. 2 plus 0, 2. It's matching, right? So you can verify. Both the equations is verified. So even elimination method or substitution method, you can use the same process. Right? Substitution is take one of the equation, from that find the one of the variable value in terms of other variable and substitute second equation or another equation. Right. So this is the main thing about elimination substitution. Once you perfect these two methods, concepts clearly, then only come to the next topic. That is solving the system of equations by graphing method. This also I'll show you in this page. This is using the graphing. You have to find out the solution set of these equations by graphing method. Okay, we have two equations. X minus 3y is equal to 9 and 5x minus 3y is equals to minus 3. So you can take the x y by using this linear equation, we have to find out any two or three points first. Let us take, I'm taking x is equal to 0. In this equation you can substitute x plus 0. So 0 minus, then 0 minus 3y is equal to 9, then minus 3y is equals to 9, so y is equals to minus 3. Okay, when I took the 0, I got y value is minus 3. Now 0 comma minus 3 is one of the solution set of this. Similarly, in the place of x, you can take other value, which is possible without fractions, which are points you get like whole number, integers, those points you can choose. Okay, if I take 3 in the place of x, okay, if x is equals to 3, let in the place of x3 means 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. So minus 3y is equal to 6. 3 take right side. Then y is equals to minus 2. So what is the point we got? When I took 3, I got minus 2. So 0 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 2, I got 2 points. 0 comma minus 3 is this. 3 comma minus 2. This. Okay. These 2 points we can join the straight line. By joining these both, you can join the line. You can extend this. Now, same way you can take one more equation and find out the 2 points from this also. Let us take, if x is equal to 0, 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 3y is equal to minus 3, then y is equal to 1. So 0 comma 1 is 1 point for this. If x is 1, okay, 2 if you take, which is not getting whole number, that you can choose. In this also, if x is minus 3, it should satisfy. X if you take minus 1, minus 5, minus 3, okay, take 2, 3, even you can take 0, minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, plus 2, any values, but you can choose at least 2 points should be not getting the fractions. You should suppose get only whole numbers. Then if y value is 0, this is, let us take 2 I am taking. When x is 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 3y is minus 3. Minus 3y is minus 13, then y is equal to 13 divided by 3. So how much you get? 4 1 by 3, 4 1 by 3. So 2 comma 13 by 3, or else 2 comma 4.3. Let us substitute here. So 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 is this, and 2 comma 4.3. After 4, third point you can take. Now these 2 points you can join. Generally where this both will coincide, no, that is the solution set for this. Where you joining, this is x value is minus 3, y value is minus 4. So minus 3 comma minus 4. X is equals to minus 3, y is equals to minus 4. This is a solution set for this two linear equations. You can substitute and check minus 3 and plus 12. It's getting satisfying. 5 into minus 3, minus 15, and this is 12. Yes, it satisfies. But making the points is very important. Then plot those 2 points and join. We can get the answers. So this is the equation of x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is the equation of linear equation 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. So where they are joining these 2 points together, towards x-axis, y-axis you can join. X, y, touching on x-axis at minus 3, touching y-axis at minus 4. So minus 3 comma minus 4 is the solution set. Right. So this is the main thing you need to apply. Okay, once you practice perfectly, again in this chapter we have some word problems also I am giving. From the word problems, you should make into linear equations. Then you have to go for elimination and substitution method. One sum I'll explain you. The senior class at high school A and high school B planned separate trips to the local amusement park. The senior class at high school A rented and filled 10 vans and 12 buses with 758 students, and B 2 vans, 8 buses with 426 students. So let number of students can a van carry and bus. So for example, number of students can a van carry, let be x, number of students can bus carry is y. Now 10 vans, right? So each van x students. 10 vans means 10x plus 12 buses. Each bus how many member can carry y? So 12 buses means 12y. These are total students of the school A. That is total how much is given? 758. This is equation 1. Next, 2 vans and 8 buses. So 2x plus 8y is equals to 426. Equation 2. Right. So once you get two linear equations, now starting I explain now elimination method or substitution method, you can make the coefficients same, then finally you can get the x value and y value. Okay. So what problems are given? So from that you can frame the linear equations and try to solve it. Right. These are the basic things. From here you can continue elimination or substitution method, you get the answers easily. And be perfect to practice with even the graph problems also in this.